Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Montero cabin filter. First, gather your supplies: a new cabin air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality, reducing dust and allergens. It's a quick and easy job that most people can do themselves, saving time and money compared to a dealership visit. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the filter housing. Open your Montero's glove compartment all the way. You'll likely need to empty its contents to give yourself enough room to work. Next, gently push in on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. Be careful not to force it, as plastic components can sometimes be brittle. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the cabin filter housing. There's usually a small clip or two holding its cover in place. Gently unclip these and remove the cover. Before pulling out the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation of the new filter. Once you've noted the direction, slide the old filter out and dispose of it properly. To finish up, slide your new cabin filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Replace the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks securely into place. Finally, push the glove box back up until it stops re-engage, and you've successfully replaced your Montero's cabin filter. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Regular filter changes keep your air fresh and your AC working efficiently. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.